Question number 10 from May 2015, higher level paper 1, time zone 1. A football team, Manchester Rovers, are playing a tournament of 5 matches. The probabilities that they win, draw, or lose a match are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6, and 1 upon 3, respectively. These probabilities remain constant. The result of a match is independent of the results of other matches. At the end of the tournament, their coach Roy loses his job if they lose 3 consecutive matches. Otherwise, he does not lose his job. Find the probability that Roy loses his job. Okay, so first, before we jump on to the answer, I'll explain the situation. We have match number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, there are 3 ways in which the coach Roy can lose his job. The first event will be where his team loses match number 1, 2, and 3. This is the first event. The second event will be where his team loses match numbers 2, 3, and 4. This is the second event. And the third and final event will be the event where his team loses match numbers 3, 4, and 5. This. So in total, we have 3 different ways in which Roy can lose his job. So now I will define 3 events. The first event will be event A, and this will be the probability that Roy's team loses for the first 3 matches. So this is just going to be 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3, and this is equal to 1 upon 27. Now for event B, this will be the event where his team lose match numbers 2, 3, and 4. So now for match number 1, we don't want this to be a loss. We want it to either be a win or a draw. So I'm going to write this as 1 minus 1 upon 3, because this will represent not a loss. Then multiplied by 1 upon 3, multiplied by 1 upon 3, and then multiplied by 1 upon 3. This is the probability of losing the second game, losing the third game, and also losing the fourth game. So this will be equal to 2 upon 81. Now for the final event, event C, this is the event where his team lose match numbers 3, 4, and 5. So now for the first match, this first match can be anything. This is the tricky part in this question, because even if match 1 is a loss, it won't affect Roy losing his job, because we won't let match number 2 be a loss. We will let match number 2 to be either a win or a draw. So this won't be consecutive. So I'll just write this as 1 multiplied by, now match number 2, we don't want this to be a loss, so this is going to be 1 minus 1 upon 3, and then finally this will be 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. This is the probability of losing the third game, the probability of losing the fourth game, and the probability of losing the fifth game. So this is also equal to 2 upon 81. Now we have 3 events or 3 different ways in which Roy can lose his job. So the probability that Roy loses his job, this can happen if event A occurs, or event B occurs, or event C occurs. So this will be equal to 1 upon 27 plus 2 upon 81 plus 2 upon 81. So now from here I can make the denominator common. This will be 81. This will be 3 plus 2 plus 2, and we find that this is equal to 7 upon 81. So this is the probability that Roy loses his job.